We have a question here that says, figure 8.1 shows the diagram of a simple AC generator. So you can see the diagram properly, isn't it? Okay, then it says you can see that they are part labeled X, labeled Y, and these are two magnets, the north pole there and the south pole, and then we have the resistor here, and we can see the direction of rotation. Name the parts labeled X and Y. Since this is an AC motor, the part labeled X is actually the slip rings. Slip rings. What about Y? These are just carbon brushes, or you can just call them brushes, there's no problem. This is still the same answer. So carbon brushes, there's no need to be too strict. Name 3 ways in which the generator would be made to produce more voltage. By the way, before I go to that question, this is my number. You can get in touch with me. Online classes available, grade 10 to 12 and GCE. Our classes are done on WhatsApp using recorded video lessons. So how can we increase the production of voltage in the AC generator? Number 1 is by increasing the speed of rotation of the coil. This is a coil. This is a coil here, the one that you are seeing coming like that. So if we increase the speed of rotation of the coil, meaning more magnetic flux is cut. As there is more cutting of the magnetic flux, there is more production of EMF. All right, so meaning that the first one we should do, we should think of always easiest one. I always tell my student is to increase, okay, the speed of rotation of the coil. The other factor that you can do is to increase the strength of the magnetic field, or in short, we are saying use stronger magnets. Using stronger magnets. By using stronger magnets, you actually increase the strength of the magnetic field. The other one is we can also increase the number of turns on the coil. What do you mean by the number of turns? The coiling, if it's too much, is better rather than when the turns are few. So increasing, okay, the number of turns. Number of turns of the coil. And I rest my case. That is 5 marks for you. Keep those in your exam.